Hello everyone, this is Felix Kim from YNM Systems. We are here in ISE 2020. YNM Systems are a manufacturer in Korea, located in Korea. We have a PTZ cameras, 4K, and we also have a full HD PTZ cameras. It's 1080p, 60 frames, and 30x. And we also have a POV cameras. There are also full HD cameras. And you can expect 1080p as well, and SDI and HDMI outputs simultaneously. So, as you guys know, PTZ cameras, you can control many cameras at the same time. So you only need to have one person to control the multiple numbers of PTZ or POV cameras. Thank you.